Did you know some of the greatest scientific discoveries were made by regular people, not scientists? MicrowaveOven. In 1945, engineer Percy Spencer discovered microwaves could cook food when a chocolate bar melted in his pocket. This accidental discovery changed the way we cook forever. Penicillin discovery. In 1928, researcher Alexander Fleming noticed mold-killing bacteria in a dish. This led to discovery of penicillin, the first antibiotic saving millions of lives. Velcro invention. In 1948, Swiss engineer George Mastrel invented Velcro after seeing how birds stuck to his dog's fur. He turned that idea into the hook and loop fastener which we use today. Kleptotrichy discovery. In 2011, scientists discovered birds called kleptotrichy, who steal feathers from other birds to make their nest warmer. This helps their eggs stay safe in the cold. Iban and Dusun fruits. Malaysian farmer knew two fruits, Iban and Dusun, had healing powers. Scientists later confirmed these fruits help treat diseases. Thanks to the wisdom passed down by local people. Proton auroras, Steve. In 2016, a sky watcher discovered Steve, a new type of aurora. This purple and green light show help scientists learn more about space weather. Ordinary people and extraordinary discoveries. These are just some of the amazing discoveries made by everyday people who know what future breakthroughs will come from unexpected places. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment your favorite discoveries.